saw this boat online and then saw it at a boat show and then saw it at Sandy Hook Yachts. Was a Regal dealer. They're nice enough to get me tickets to a show, and I walked it at a show, and then they were nice enough to get me out on one of them so I could actually see how it handled on the ocean. Pretty seamless purchase, and so far the service has been really good. This will be my first time taking a boat out today with Captain Kevin, the Sandy Hook Yachts provided to give me a nice orientation on the boat, so I'm feeling pretty good. Beautiful day out, it's a beautiful boat, and I can't wait to take her out.